They told me never to look at the mirror after 3 a.m. I laughed it off until last night. I woke up thirsty. My room was completely dark, but my mirror had a faint light inside it. I thought it was just reflection from my phone, but my phone was off. I tried to ignore it and turned away. Then I heard a knock. Knock, knock, knock from inside the mirror. I froze. Slowly I turned back, and I saw myself standing in the mirror, smiling, but I wasn't smiling. The reflection lifted its hand and started tapping from the inside. The glass began to fog up with words. "Let me out, I can see you now." I ran to switch on the light. When I looked back, the mirror was normal, until I noticed something behind me in the reflection. Even though I wasn't there anymore, it was still watching.